Good morning. It's Monday again, and we are back on the chart. Oh, yes, today makes it the third week of me documenting my journey from 5k to 100k in profit funding. Like we all know, I was halfway down on my 5k profit account before I even start this documentary, and I'm able to take it back to a break even. I started with 5k funding pips prop accounts, and I was halfway down like I said, so I'm now back to break even with $19 in profit. You can see how crazy is that. So on Friday I would have been up with at least $190 in profit. Has it been I hold a trade that I took around here, around this other block that came to tag me in and give this move, come back here, give this move, and I break even. So the price came back to hit my break even before it went up to TP. Oh, it's crazy anyway, but I didn't regret it. Because some people are like, I should have leave the order since I have calculated my risk, but unknowing to them that my strategy tell me to break even after a pullback to tap me in and break the high that give that pullback. So not even when the price came back here, I still react, and I'll still have to hold that trade. You can see the price came back to my break even and even go below my entry, so before it starts going up. And around here, this is the opening of Friday. You can see this is the opening of Friday, which is 22 o'clock here. And has it been I hold this position, it would have hit my stop loss, because you know what does that mean? Opening of the new daily candle always bring up a wider spread, and who knows, it would have just go straight to trigger my stop loss because it is very close. It is below my buy entry here, so it would have just come and hit my stop loss, caught waiting no good from my account before it start going up. That would have been very much painful than for me to just hit break even and rest, because in Forex there is always an opportunity come but once, no be for Forex. You can also see that after the week close on Friday, now Monday another week have opened, so opportunity must surely shows up. After this week, more weeks are still there, years are still there for us to trade. Protecting our account is the first priority, because that is what will keep us in the game. So now we are back on the chart on Monday again, so let's go on to analyze what we have today. As you can all see, we are on the 30-minute time frame, and for a whole long while now we have been making a series of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Last Friday make a lower high, and now a higher high. And for that, we have no other option than to be looking for an opportunity to buy. But what happened now is that the Monday candle, or let's say the new week candle, opened with a little bit of a gap, because I was expecting the price to come down to this point of interest. I did my analysis during the weekend, and that's where I have to draw this break of structure, this swing low, this swing high, and hoping the price will now come back to my point of interest here. You can see I put an alarm there, so to open and come back to this point of interest, anything around here give me a confirmation, then we start to buy up here. But what happened now, and what I'm waking up to now, is that the new week candle open with a little bit of gap here. Spend like 1 hour on a range, and I'm seeing this upward direction. The price have not come to my point of interest, and now I'm seeing that the price have even make a new higher high on the 30-minute time frame. You see a very beautiful candle close right here. If the price can move around here, can move from here up to this high and still close above that high, that's to show me that I have a new break of structure even before the key time window opens. So everything happened right here, and I have a new break of structure. So for that, technically or strategically, my new break of structure have occurred, so all of these swings will not be relevant for me again. I have a new swing low which is here, and the swing high is yet to be created. So for that, I am looking at this area. Let me just use this big candle because I hate to define so much. What's happening here? So I hate to define so much. Let me use this big candle to mark my point of interest. This is my point of interest. So I'm hoping for the price to come down to this area, give me a good confirmation, then we see to that buy. That is what I'm having today, because I have a new break of structure, and if the price will have to come down and take this low, I will consider that as a change of character, knowing too well that we are coming from the daily supply area. So if this place hold and make this change of character, maybe we are about to make a pullback on the 4-hour time frame, and anyhow the momentum keep coming down, then I will know that okay, maybe we want to make a new lower low on the daily time frame. So for now, I have a new swing which is here, and the swing high is yet to be created. So for that, let's wait and see what the London session has for us, because still I'm seeing the Asian low around here as a liquidity, or this little pullback as a liquidity to get in to my POI. And if I see a good confirmation, we always do with a confirmation. If I see a good confirmation, I will take the buy from here. So on my last post, I know I have talked too much. So on my last post, I see the video is very, very long, that some people give me an opinion of making it short, despite I'm documenting all the week, or let's say all the days of the week trades. But I'll try as much as possible to make this week short, or to be making these videos short. So for that, after this analysis, I will now come back to show you if it comes to my point of interest and if I take the trade. So for any other thing, I won't be putting it down here. That's that for that. Or maybe if I was unable to get an entry before the day end, I will still have to show up. So for that, the video will be a very short and accumulative video. So thank you very much for staying tuned. Please do subscribe if you are just coming to this YouTube channel, and if you like what I'm doing, and if you want to follow up, I really appreciate if you give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. That will help me to grow. I appreciate it. Good morning. Welcome back. Today is Tuesday, and you can see the price action we wake up to. Yesterday being Monday, we are unable to give the last update on the chart. There's nothing really happening on the chart to update about, because I don't want the video of this week to get very long. You can see yesterday the price opened around here. Look at the gap, it's making a little bit gap, and it starts to make the high. In the process of making the high yesterday, I made a video about it, having this breaking of structure and hoping the price to come back to this area of interest that I draw yesterday, giving us confirmation before we take our buy. So the price took the whole of yesterday to make this high and this pullback, and now this is the price action I wake up to. You can see it's very close to my point of interest. Even the alarm that I drew around 1.15700 have been met, and the alarm have triggered already. So today I'll be waiting for the London session to open, because I know probably when the London session open, it will made it way deep down this point of interest. Only then I'll be looking for a confirmation, then I'll position myself to take this high. It's just as simple as that. We have nothing more to do today again. If we see what we are looking for, we position for the trade. And if the price break this low and have a good candle close below this swing low, then I'll consider it as a change of character. Then we know what to do next. So this is the update today. Let's stay tuned and see what we have for the rest of the day. Welcome back. Just as you can see, the price have gotten deep inside my POI. You can see a very good weak rejection right here. So now I'll go to my 1 minute time frame to see my confirmation, and we can all see after the price have been making a series of lower high and lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and now I'm seeing a change of character here, making a higher high. Now I will be positioning myself around here, going to a 5 minute time frame. Going to 5 minute time frame. Don't delete this. I see this area where price will be sitting. Sorry, let's make it so clear. I see this area where price will be sitting for a while before the push up. So I'm positioning myself around here. Make it like this. So
please reconnect the charger.
My buys around here. Reconnect the charger. And having my 5 pip stop loss. I think this is enough. Targeting my first risk to reward at ratio 5. Oh god. At ratio 5, which is this place right there. Then let me put a mark. Then taking the full take profit at this high. So this is the setup today, this morning. Let's see if we get tagged in and we proceed. Just as you can see, the price have tagged me on this trade, so I have less power. I have nothing I can control anymore because I'm already on the trade. So we hope and see what the price have to do. And lest I forget, at the back end or behind the scene, I take a gold trade. I saw this gold entry, then I took it right here. You can see I'm also on profit. That's what you can see right there. But right now on gold, I don't trust it that much, so I have breaking even. So if the price choose to like return back to my entry now, I have nothing to lose. That's why I don't even show it earlier. So that's that for that. Thank you very much. I give an update later in the day. Peace. But as for Euro USD, this is our entry right now. You can see it right there. It's a little bit in profit, and we see if the price break this high right here. Let me put this. If the price break this high, that's a break even for me. You know what it is. Peace. The price have broken the high, and it's a break even for me, as you can see. But I'm still seeing a little bit of favor lookup right here, just like what happened to me the last time when I break even. The price came back and still go to hit my take profit. I'm still seeing a little bit of favor lookup right here. I don't know if the price will come back to fill it up before going, so I'm still going to hold and see if the price can pull back a little bit and break the high again. Then I'll break even. The price came back and hit my break even, just like I said. Let's go to 1 minute time frame. I told you after this entry, it makes this high breaking this previous high. So I say if there is a pullback, a little bit pullback, and break the high again, I'll go on break even. So the price came back making this low and break this high. Only then I break even. So the price now came and tapped me on break even again. As you can see on the left corner of the screen, my emotion kicks in. Like it start giving this reaction right here. I'll be like, let me just enter from here because I have broken even so quick. Then I re-enter, and I feel like I'm trading out of emotion right now. That's why I have to like close the position on -2 on each position that I took right there. So finger crossed, I'll be looking at this chart and see if there'll be an opportunity again. If I see another break of structure right here, if the price came to take this high, I'll position for the buy again. But for now, instead of trading my emotion, I rather miss on that trade. So I just took a loss of like $4 to $5 right there, plus commission and every other thing. I'm cool with that. Even the gold that I took, you can see it right there. It has hit break even again. It has hit break even too. Look at gold right here. It has hit break even. So I don't want to trade out of emotion, so I just have to like take this loss and move on. If I see another good change of character for a buy position, I'll take it. But for now, don't think I'm interested in this price action anymore, especially on Euro USD, because I don't know what is going on right now. We are still on the London session. Let me on my session indicator. As you can see, we are still on the London session, this green box right here. If I see an aggressive move to the upside right here, I'll take the buy position. That's how I want to take today's trade, because I can't afford to like become negative on this account anymore. I rather stay break even and be conservative enough. You can see I've re-entered on this position again. I've entered again for a buy because I realized that I cannot always be right, or I cannot always avoid losses. So trading with my emotion for not taking a loss is something else. So let's just take this loss if possible. Maybe some other opportunity will still come for a good position. So I've taken the buy again on this very position again. So this is the only position I'm going to hold for the gold. I'm not going to trade the gold again. I'm always on the Euro USD. So for now, I've taken this trade again, the same first take profit and the final take profit right there. So the ball is out of my court. I can't do anything anymore. Welcome back. If I actually tell you I know what's wrong with me today, I'm probably lying, because I really don't know what's happening to me today. The first entry that I have around this point, where is it? Sorry, around this point here, I broke even so early. The price came back to hit my break even. What did I do? I re-entered around here. If you check the last clip, I re-entered around here, and the price starts making its way up like this. When it gets to this place, I still have to break even. After I've said I will let the money go if it wants to go, I still have to break even. And what did the price do again? The price begins to range. Look at it, the whole range from the London session down to this New York session. And now, before the price started moving, it came down so close to my stop loss where I moved my break even to. It went back again, and look at it, before it started moving, the price have came to hit my stop loss on break even. The price have came to break me even and start making its way up. You can see it right there. Now I've still missed this trade again because of break even. I don't know if I should like remove this break even from my trading or whatever. I don't know. I'm so afraid of losing, or maybe getting back to a negative on my prop. I don't know. And now, or let's say twice now, on Friday or on Thursday. Yes, on Thursday I was hit on a break even, and Friday the price made its way to 12 rigs to reward, and now I'm having 8 rigs to reward right here, and the price have came back to hit my break even again and start moving. But nevertheless, nothing spoiled. I'll still find a way around here to position myself. Right now, I'll take this last down move. Take this last down move. Let me just take this back so that it should be very clear. That's that. So I'll take this last down move to position my long here. Let me make it this. So this is my entry right now. Now it should be 6 pip stop loss. I don't know. It will be 6 pip stop loss right there. What's wrong with this thing? It will be 6 pip stop loss right there. And now I will take full profit here. I'm not taking any first take profit anymore because the risk to reward have been shortened down, so I'll be taking my profit at that high. So I'm going to place this order now and see if I get tagged on this position. A lot have really happened behind the scene. A lot have really happened behind the scene, which I want to share now and make a promise to myself. You know, after all this break even, while I was not holding to my position or leaving my stop loss, letting the price to move a little bit before I break even, the price came twice to break me even on my 2 positions. And another thing is I don't trade XAUSD, despite the fact that I'll be following it up for a long while now, and I'm saying my strategy works on XAUSD too, but I've not been trading it. But just this week I traded twice and I didn't get a good result, and not having a good result made my emotion comes in, because I felt so bad, or I felt so ashamed of myself going against my plan. And right now I've let my emotion came in and make a lot of destruction in my trading just today. And today you can see I've lost $42, which is 2% of what I'm risking. I always risk $20 per trade, and you can see I have lost $42 just today. Why? Because I let FOMO came in and I went again to trade XAUSD, and today it's more or less a bad day for me. This is the trade I am hoping to get in now, and on this trade I am risking twice of my account too. I'm risking $40 too, so I'm okay risking that $40, and if that gets to a loss, I will know that today I lost $80 on this account. So, and if it goes in my way, fine, it's a win for me. But I want to make this promise to myself again that no, I'm not going to trade any other pay again until I become 100k in prop funding. Another thing is I'm going to set and forget every position that I'm going to put in on my MetaTrader 5, either stop loss or take profit, or maybe I'll come later in the day to see the movement of the price, and I will then position myself. That's that. The time is 8:28 p.m. So I see no reason to keep holding this position, because if I should keep holding this position now, it's like I'm having a FOMO, like the fear of missing out on this trade. So I've closed this position. This position came to tag me in, just like I've said on my last clip. It came to tap me in. I even set alarm around here to know when I have a stop loss, and around here to know if I'm to break even around there, because I see that place, it's a good potential area for me to make a break even. So the price came to tap me in around 6 p.m. and now over 2 hours the price has been roaming about this entry. I don't want to hold it. Before you know, the day will come to an end, the new daily candle will open, and a swap will be cut from my capital. And if the price still hits my stop loss, that's double loss. So I have closed this position right now. So the total loss of today is $40 plus commission and every other thing. So all of this thing is my fault. I take full responsibility of the losses because I let the emotion came in and hijacked me and then made the losses. So that's no big deal. So for now, I will clear all my drawings. Got it there. Clear my alarms. Now it's a free chart right here. I will redo my analysis now, and I will only be coming to show my position and the outcome of the position. That's it from now on, so that this video, or let's say this weekly episode, will be short enough for people to like follow up. Thank you very much. I really appreciate your patience, your support. Please do like this video. Good morning. It's Wednesday morning, and I'm having this setup on the London session. I want to like quickly take this setup, securing this 5 weeks to reward if it permits me. So like I've said, I'm only going to be showing my entries, stop loss or take profit. So after this position now, I'll set it and forget, and maybe I'll just set alarm here on the entry point to see if I get triggered on this entry. So that's that for now. So I'll not be looking at the chart again because I feel like the screen time is making me to have emotion on the chart. So that's what I'm doing now. Thank you very much. I've actually been activated on this setup. So I've set my break-even alarm and I also set my stop loss alarm. So this is the set and forget. The alarm will let me know what's my fate on this trade. Welcome back. A quick one. I took this trade, like you already know. I took this trade and the price came back to tap me in, break the high, and I moved my stop to break even. Actually, this is not my regular trade. I think I'm so confused right now, and I'm not in a good state of mind on the chart. So I quickly move my stops to break even around here, so that maybe if the price choose to come back like this, it will just take me out, so that I will be back on my full break even, which is my 5k account, to be on a break even without a negative sign or any loss. So the price came back to break me even around here, and I don't really know what's going on in the chart right now. So like I've said, I'm not in a good state of mind. I'm gonna stay out of the chart and let me see what the price has to do and come back next time to reposition myself, because it will be better I leave the chart than to like keep trading out of emotion and blow this account, or even lost some amount of money that I won't be able to like handle. So that's what I think right now. So I'll be off a bit. Even if the price come like this and still go to hit my TP and still be going further, I won't mind, because right now I'm not in a good state of mind to trade. I'm actually making decision out of my emotion, because even this trade that I took around here, it's not my A+ setup. It's not the kind of trade that I have to like take, and I don't really know what the price has to do, knowing fully well that we are on the daily supply zone. You see, you can see there, this is the daily supply zone where I'm expecting the price to continue coming lower. So me still trying to figure out the trade around here. It's just like I'm trying to force the trade. So I'll be out for a moment and I'll still come back maybe tomorrow or next to give some updates. But for now, I'm taking a break. It will be good for me to like take a break, be strategize, analyze properly, and ready to position myself. Good morning, welcome back. Today is Thursday. I have said it to myself that there will not be long talk anymore, so that this video will not get longer. And I noticed something earlier before now that my emotion will be kicking in, trying not to lose any trade again. All of those things have actually make my trade go down or be declining. So for now, I will be risking what I wanted to risk, having my stop loss, having my take profit, and watch the market do its thing. That's what I'm going to be doing from now on. So I'm having this setup. It is a London continuation. If I on my session, you will see it. The green box is the London continuation. So I'll be heading, or let me say I'll be placing this trade and be targeting 5 weeks to reward today. That's that. So let's go. This is the setup, and I'll update you guys what happened later on the chart, or how the trade go. If I get tapped in, fine. If I hit stop loss, fine. If I take profit, fine. That's that for now. Thank you all. Peace. Yeah, it's a missed trade. I was unable to get tagged in on the trade, and the price have get to our TP. So I will cancel this order now and wait for New York section, or maybe that will be the end of today. We'll come back tomorrow. Coming into the New York section, this is the price action that I'm having. The price have retraced back to my point of interest where I was intending to take the first trade, but it went up without me. So the price have come back to that point of interest, and right here I'm taking this trade. I don't know what's wrong with my app, my trading view app. Like, all these bars down here are no longer showing. So I'm having this entry right now, and the price is massively on a drawdown, almost halfway. Actually don't know what's up. I don't know. That's the trade that I'm taking right now. So I have this entry, and this is my stops. Like we said, we are going to hold this trade. Say that it hit our stop loss or it made us profit. Honestly, I can't lie. I think this week is a week of emotion trade for me. It's a week of emotional trade for me, because I don't really know what I'm doing on the chart right now. But I think this will be my last decision for the week. It's Thursday already, and tomorrow is Friday. And basically, I don't use to trade on Fridays, because even if I use this emotion to go and trade on Friday, I might likely blow this account. From yesterday, or let me say since when I've been breaking even, and the price I'll be going to hit my TP. It happens twice, Abi 3 times. If you check from Monday till now, no, from Thursday last week till now, you will see that I've been breaking even. The price will not to tap my break even and still go to hit my TP. Some are 12 weeks to reward. Even the one that happened yesterday was a trade that I took around here, around this area in price, and my TP was up here at 1.1700. I would have just passed this account has it been I leave it. But what happened? I broke even, or I even manually close. I manually close on that trade, and the price started rallying upside, and it hit the full TP. I would have passed this account. I would have passed phase 1, I mean. But now you see the trade that I said I just took on the New York session that's also hit stop loss. But before then, I quickly closed halfway again. I quickly closed halfway, and I took this sell right here. So this sell is running right now, and once it break this low, I might break even again, or I'll still leave it. I might even leave it, because I don't really know what's happening to me. But this will be the last trade I'll take this week, and probably by next week, if this one hits stop loss without coming to my TP down here, I will likely take a break by next week and come back again with a clear mindset, because right now my head is full. Thank you very much for following up till this day, being Thursday. By tomorrow, Friday, I will still show up or not. Thank you very much. I really appreciate. Please, if you are just watching, please do well to subscribe. That will help me grow. I really need the subscription or even a thumbs up so that this video might get to other people that will like it too. Thanks so much. I really appreciate. It's a perfect. Bye for today. I'll show, maybe tomorrow I'll talk about the outcome of this sell position. Let me just delete this one now. I'll come about this sell position by tomorrow being Friday. Peace. Good morning. Welcome back. It's Friday morning and thank God we are up again. I just have to come here to admit that yes, I fucked up all throughout this week. All my decisions have been out of my emotion because all the trades that I took have been messed up. Why? Because I have not been I've been thinking of not losing, or let me say not coming back to a drawdown after I've make some profit and take me back from drawdown to my break even. So I've been making a silly decision of taking a trade, break even as so quick as I can, then the price will not come back to hit my break even and go in my direction, even hit TP. The previous one, I think I have 8 rigs to reward and 12 rigs to reward TP that got hit. So for that, my emotion came in, hijacked me, and then I've been making a silly decision, especially yesterday being Thursday. You can see a place where I took buy, then I come back, and when the price is coming against me, I took sell. Even that sell, I break even as early as I can. I still came back to hit me a break even. In a nutshell, the account is sitting at a drawdown of $20 now. My balance is $4,980 something dollars. It's around the screen if you can see it. So today I come back and I meet this price action on the chart. So this is the price action we are having today, of which I have just marked all of this point of interest, this liquidity, and this liquidity, the high, the low, knowing too well that we have been rallying up, so we are on an uptrend. So every intention is to buy. Actually, the one that I took yesterday, after the whole messed up, it came back to hit me on break even, and I'm sitting on a drawdown of $20 right now. Let me just post my account balance. I think it's about 4,990, no, 4,982 or 83. So that's it at the left corner of the chart. It's the end of the day, and this is the price action I am looking at right now. So I don't think there's a setup today. Anyway, I don't even put my attention to the chart or to today because I don't want to trade on Fridays. So this is the price action. To me now, the price want to make it back to this place. If it give me a confirmation by next week, I'll be looking for sale. That's what I'm looking at because I see a strip above here and a down push. So that's for that for this week. Thank you all.